All right. Enjoy the good kids. Be hard. Okay, talk English, talk English,
Over 25. Yo. He's not getting crazy. He's getting 25. Actually, over 20, matter of fact. Yo.
Regan.
Already?
Already.
Already, bro. Too late. I play slide that on him.
This kid playing. Practicing at Logan.
No, Harvey said he needs to get over 12 and a half.
I need number 26 to get 20 points. Over 20 points.
Yeah, over.
No, I want 19.5. 19.5.
Oh, who's still high?
Come on. Come on.
That's something. Oh, it's following now. Oh, Didi now the big guy, the brother of the run. Oh, Didi. Whoa. It's side to side. Oh, Bana now.
Richard,
Oh, Bana.
you guys who's number 0?
Oh, Bana side to side. Oh, blue ball still.
Wait, this guy plays a 2 division. Jamal plays a 2 division, bro.
Rebound by the line. Yes, good point. I'll go now, pick the ball.
Oh, yeah!
Still like to run.
That was half court. Oh, yeah!
Here's the big move of the run. Oh, foul. Foul by number 54, Adam. Sideline inbound. Blue ball.
Come on, guys. I need my guy to catch it.
Good ball, good pass, number 22.
Rejected by Anthony.
Rebound by Green. Good look. Regan, Liam. Good rebound by Green. Good still by Labanan. Oh, what a nice over by Liam. Good. Rebound by Dupont. Kini, point three. Okay. I don't know, good goal. Nice pass by Agam. Antinor. Too strong. Manhaba. Go again, Antinor again.
Give it to 26. Give it to 26.
Antinor. Yes.
Well, wait, that's 4 points.
Yeah, go ahead.
21 away.
He needs to get 20, bro.
Did you know the point guard?
He's not betting. It's only us three. Right there.
Asking for a screen.
He got 3 for 2.
Look, almost. Good ball. Nice pass. Labanan. Yes.
Guys, if you get on the girls' team, your staff will be $10.
Good ball from Labanan.
I'll bet on the girls' game.
Good team. Good in the ball. Good run. Good ball. Nice pass.
I'm betting on you. Yo, I'm trying to get money.
Agam. Liam. Oh, good. Double. Blue ball.
I don't think I'm getting my bet tonight, guys.
Who is it on?
26. Over 19.5.
Over 19.
Good run. Good run to Didi. Oh, good still by 50. No press. 50 now standing.
Yes!
50.
Come on.
Let's
go.
Good finish by 50. Score now is 6-4. Didi now. Nice pass to Labanan. Yes. Agam now to the ball. Good look. Antinor. Antinor, Leah, yeah.
High schooler to eh.
You need to get over 20, bro. You're doing double victory. How you have so? I thought it said 6.
He
No,
did
wait.
not pick up the ball. Oh, good
My man is
goal,
right.
Didi.
Who's gonna give me
Oh,
the
wide
money?
open. Leah.
Harvey,
Nice
right?
try, Didi. Antonell, no good. Rebound by Mohamed. Nice pass. Antonell again. No good. LeBron for three. Bang! All right, switch clears. Switch clears.
So sad.
Who's out, coach, who's in?
Mag-collection siya, no? Wala na sunod.
You're the one giving me five. That's not nice.
Nag-collection
That's
siya,
what.
no?
If my bet goes wrong, you guys. I'll bet. Watch me cash out. I'm cashing out. Bro,
All right, stay quickly. Shoot the ball.
Come on,
No
man.
good. Rebound by Blue. Number 44. Whoops, good ball. Okay. You now is back. You dribbling the ball. Okay, you. We got it for two. Good. Number 9, wide open. Rebound by you. Open. You know the ball. Whoop. 15. 15. Why you stop? Good 55, 15.
How much? That's 4 points, right?
I got 6, bro. I need this.
So your guy has 6 points. Who's your guy?
Number 9. Oh, what a nice is over by number 9. Alvaran. Oh, good block. Nice 15. Antinor now is coming. Antinor, Leah. Bang. Wow, he knows how to lay out under his Leah.
Only 13. Hey, yeah, sorry, man.
Red team quit. Red team quit. Why?
I'm like stacking the same. That's easy, bro.
Oh, nice pass. Hard. Rebound by Alvaran.
Like, bro, the only player
Alvaran for 3. Good rebound by Alvaran.
I think I got
Vivian.
between my things. Bro, it actually takes so
Rebound by
long. Yo,
Green.
it takes so long for me, bro. Come on, it takes so long for me to like stack them.
Antinor, wide open. Hey.
Ah, what the fuck? Yo, Anton, you're giving him money. You're giving me money, bro. How much is
What-
25, right? 25. Is it
25? No, I put
No, me.
But 25 is
Oh,
not
good
getting
goal,
25.
wide open. Vivian. Shoot it. Oh, too strong. Rebound by
Come
17.
on, bro.
17 is coming. Nice pass. Oh, too strong. Good blue ball.
9-14. Green.
He's over the half points.
Alvaran.
Oh, 24 score over 1.5.
Oh, good pass. Good. Rebound by you. You know, taking the ball. You. On fake for the run. 17. 17. To number 28. Aguilar. Back to 17. Turn around. Antinor again. Rebound by Antinor. Blue save by Blue. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go, let's go! Oh, it's 3 versus 1 now.
Come on. Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow, what a good finish by
Come on, how much?
Cincinnati.
6, okay.
Number 4, number 9, Troy.
What's up, legal?
Pull up. Yeah. Okay, two players. Okay, switch players.
Yeah, Regan and Cedric has to come out. Dixon, stay, then stay. Almost half. The 6 points is a good start. 6 points.
All right.
Yeah, he put too high. He put 20.
Okay, green ball, green ball.
I put 25, bro. I should get like $10.
Green ball, green ball, green ball.
You know how high it is, bro? 25. Even I didn't score 25. If I can't score 25, I don't know.
No press.
Bro, with all threes,
That was not all threes, but
it was almost all threes. He had like 8 threes.
no, it was 4 threes.
4 threes is a lot.
Check the statistics.
Hey, 4 threes?
Check the statistics.
Mariano. Oh, what a good
4 threes is so
job.
much.
Check the statistics.
4 threes is so much easier than 6 twos.
No, it's not.
It depends on how hard you work for it.
What if you're like Giannis out of the beat?
Well, what if you're like me?
What if you're like
Good defense by Blue. LeBron to Didi. Nice pumping by Didi. Short. Nice pass by LeBron. No good rebound. Didi again. Didi. No, nice defense. Number 44. Oh, good defense by Didi.
Actually looks for his teammates sometimes.
Nice try. Rebound. On the end again. No. All right, it's a terrific foul. Foul by number 22, Brooklyn. Two shots by Mariano. All right. Oh, ang daming passes mo din. Oh. Woo. Ayusin mo yan. Nakakabito yan. Yeah, really good rebound. Nice, good. All right, violation. All right, the blue ball.
I wish he just like
Speaking of throwing the ball, no press.
Don't worry, you have another bet, bro.
Didi.
one more game after this.
Didi. Hallelujah. Oh, straight again.
I'll let you bet in the second.
Angkat down, throwing the ball. Angkat coming. Pull up. No good. Rebound.
He just wants the bet.
No press.
What's the $5?
Please tie it.
It was good that they scored. It's just too many.
The ball to number 44. Oh, back to that. Oh, yo, he plays smart. Didi wide open. Didi. The rebound by Green. No press. Marian. Good defense by LeBron. LeBron.
See, he's a
Pass to number 44. No good. Rebound by LeBron.
Please respect him. Good job, LeBron. You know what?
Didi now.
I get $5 for myself now.
Didi. Shoot. Rebound by Brooklyn. Brooklyn again. All right. That's enough.
Version was done.
Two shots by Brooklyn. Two shots.
Nice. Period. Are you playing up tomorrow? Am I waking up tomorrow? I hope so. Tomorrow? What? I don't think so. What do you mean you don't think so? These are my sisters. Huh? I don't know.
Nice try.
I'm gonna wake up.
One more. Great rebound.
Maybe I might go early and then I'll go back home.
They're ready to rebound.
Like, I'll go first game.
First game?
And then I'll like, go home around like, or I'll leave at like 1 game.
Yes.
Put that in the
1 point for Portugal. Let's go. They're getting foul. The number 51.
Tomorrow's 10, but I won't.
Oh, good defense by Tini. Tini now. Let's go. Oh, that's the over. Tini keep hitting the ball. Pull up. Shoot again. Rebound by Manama. Maria. Maria. Layup. Another rebound. All right, top ball. Green ball. All right, it's three players. Okay, three players.
No, your guy's doing fine. My guy is slightly under. I need him to drop 10 points right now.
Fourth from third to Nicholas.
Please let me have seen. You answer
All right, green ball, 110. Pick up your tag. Open wide, you.
I said it right now and you
No press. Oh, now it's complete defense now. Oh, he's open. Rebound by Steve.
Vector on C.
Oh, nice pass. Around wide open. Yes. What a nice behind the back by Steve.
I was reading all night readers.
2 points for Yano. Give one for three. Bang.
No!
He's back.
Harvey, that was on camera.
He's back. 15-19. Oh, nice over by 17. Wide open. Yes. What a nice move by 17.
I swear it was up there.
Just like that.
Over 19.5. Come on.
One more.
34.5.
It's over.
Oh, nice pick up by Cabral. Bang! That's why I'm saying he's back. Now scoring 21-18. You know who took the ball. You to Antinor. Antinor. Rolling. Short. Rebound by 17. 17. Agam. Pull up. Good rebound by Malbanan. Malbanan, good look. Good pass. Yeah. That's a good teamwork for you. So now it's 21, only 1 point made by Green. 22 can go back. Good save. Agam to play the ball. All right, green ball. Pick up your kick, guys. Man-to-man defense. Antinor, pull up. Do good. Rebound by Gibran. Good look by Gibran. Number 9. Oh, Malbanan wide open. Nice. It's like a triple. Now it's 51 on. It's 21-22 by Blue. 33 to Antinor. Antinor. Too strong. Rebound by Cedric. Back to Antinor. Oh, that's a foul. Foul by number 11. No good. So ready to rebound.
Now Vine
Rebound. Alright, one point. It's time score now. Time score 2-2. Nice time. To the north, to the west, to the north, to the west.
Hey, help!
Oh, that's far. I'm gone. Wide open. No good. Rebound by